How to fix suspended Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover or fix your account that has been suspended. Now, accounts that don't follow the community guidelines may be disabled. Now, if you think your account was disabled by mistake, then Instagram gives you an opportunity to review the decision. Now, you can do so by asking them to review the decision by opening the app while you open the account. If your account was already logged in, while you open it up, you'll see that the account is suspended, a message, and there you'll be able to ask them to review the decision. However, if you are not logged in and if you're not getting this review option, then what you can do is you can head into your browser, and on your browser you can see what you want to do is, if I head back here, you can see I searched for Instagram account disabled, and now under it what you want to do is you want to head into the second link available here. My Instagram account was deactivated. Simply tap on it and this page should open up. Now here what you want to do is tap on I understand and wish to continue, and here you want to enter in your name and surname on the app, that is on the app here, and then your email address and your content and issue. Here you can see your Instagram username, type in your username here, and then explain why your account was banned and why do you want them to review it, such as my account was suspended by mistake and such, and you can choose the files to open up the screenshot, to send the screenshot, and then here you can send it. So once you submit this form, Instagram will review it and they'll probably get back to you within 72 hours, and only then if they review it and if they think that your account was suspended by mistake, then they'll be able to help you to get back your account. So this way you can fix your Instagram suspended account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.